We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to fight to hold support here above the 428 area, trying to get back above the 430s into the second half of the day. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 9:45 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. And if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition on 42 vision, breaking back above the 430 area. And in today's volatility, we're going to break down the key levels that I would watch going into tomorrow and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run idea was from our AMD bot. Our AMD bot at 9:45 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Bull strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 70% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition from the dip area to the rip area in today's volatility. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, under a bull indicator at around the 429.90 area, not that far off of where things found support here and bounced up towards the end of the day, right? Going into the after hours, and inflows picked back up, pulling away from the midpoint from the 0.27 area back up to 1.08, and so far a staircase effect here forming as well. So it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to continue higher and staying above the midpoint, and for this bull indicator to hold true as a full transition has happened on the 30-minute chart. But not only that, also here on the 1 hour, right? We have a bull indicator popping up here and confirmed in the last hour at around the 431.18 area, and inflows have crossed over for the first time since the last bear indicator from up here at the 443 area, and outflows crossed over significantly down towards the -7 and the -6.8 area. So definitely something to not ignore here in the bigger picture. This has been canceled, and a bull indicator now is dominating, and inflows are sitting at the 1.87 area. And in the volatility of the 15-minute, a bull indicator held true here all day, with that staircase effect there as you see it, continuing to push up, inflows above, and also here a bull indicator at the 429.18 area. And right there, it found support multiple times before doing the next leg up towards the 432 area and holding itself up above the 430s here and using it as support. Now, what are the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow? Well, the first thing is for these inflows to continue pushing up higher in the bigger picture of the 1 hour, continuing these transitions, holding this bull indicator true. And the next part of the transition after dark green bars would be bright green bars here on the 1 hour chart. On the 30-minute, I'm going to be watching if it can continue to hit bright green bars, push up higher, continue to reflect that strength here in the charts and the inflows as well. Hold the bull indicator true, because if this bull indicator gets canceled and the weakness starts to reflect into these charts to the downside to retest key support levels, I'll be watching if these outflows cross over to the downside as well and outflows start to dominate. But not only here, also on the 15-minute, right? So the first support level is the 430 area. Then below that is the 428.50 area where things bounced off of here in the pre-market. And then below that comes 425. Now to the upside, if this bull indicator continues to hold true, again, that staircase effect continues to push up higher and these inflows pick up on multiple time frames, right? The 30-minute, on the 15-minute, and also here on the 1 hour. The first resistance is the 434 area. That's where it rejected here on Friday and Thursday. And then above that, I'll be watching the 438 to 440 area where things actually rejected here in the pre-market on Thursday and in the after hours on Wednesday, right after that bear indicator that popped up at the 443 area. So these are going to be levels I would not ignore. So far, it's gone from the dip area of white with red borders to dark green bars. Our first bull indicator here on the 1 hour, and on the 30-minute, we're also under a bull indicator, and on the 15-minute, full transitions and inflows pushing back up, even on this slight drop here when it crossed below it and it hit the 430 area, used it as support and bounced right back up to 432. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this and this move so far. And as always, these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial. I would not ignore them. And the inflow versus outflows, I'm going to pay close attention to them as they're back above on multiple time frames. Again, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.